Hey, hi everyone. Good morning. Welcome back. So, guys, as part of the today's session, I just want to show you a very small scenario. If at all, any system application, like the apps which comes by default with your mobile. Okay, if at all any apps that are coming by default with your mobile, those applications we call it as a system applications, right? How exactly we can write down a code that will be triggering any kind of a system application. For now, I'm considering it as a camera functionality. Okay, camera functionality does has this particular one. Ideally, in order to deal with these system applications, the only thing that you need to deal here is app package and app activity. Instead of passing app, we need to pass below two capabilities. Okay, below two capabilities. And the values that you will be getting from APK info app that you have installed. So what I'm doing right now is, as I just need for a calls functionality, let me open the camera functionality. I'm choosing in the APK info, I'm choosing the camera, the system application. See here, for this camera, com.second.android app. This is the name they have a given. Okay, this name, if you see below the camera, there is a system, which is a system application, and this is what the package name is. So let's come back here. um you know Copy any existing program, paste it here. System app 1. Okay, I just want to create a system app. So here, okay, this is the code that we have for an iOS. Okay, Android base program, whichever the base program is there, copy it. System app 2. Okay, so this is the Android program. So here we need to pass app package and as well as an app activity. So here we don't need to pass that particular one, which is the app information directly. So here I have seen the package name as a com.scc.android.something. Okay, that's fine. Moving on to the activities, there are a bunch of activities that we have, but I have seen that com.scc.android.app.camera. This is the one that we have a noticed there for that. Right. So as a package name. So the second one. So let's go back here. See on the top com.scc.android.app.camera. Till here, this is the package name. Copy the package name and update the package name. And here, the next to the package name, whichever the word is there, this is an activity. So camera is an activity. I'm choosing this particular activity and I'm updating my program with this activity. After creating an instance, I don't want to do anything, wait for a few seconds and then terminate it. That's it, guys. I'm not doing anything. Launch the camera app, wait for about a 4 seconds and terminate it. So let me try to run the program and check it out whether it is working or not. Not only this camera application, guys, you can play with any type of a system applications. See, the camera got loaded right now. So this is the camera that it got loaded and it waited for a few seconds and it terminated that particular app. This is the way how exactly you can deal with this type of a system applications. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Along with the same way, okay, let us try to see how exactly we can open a calculator and try to enter some value like a 1, 2, 3 something on that particular character, on that particular calculator. So for which I'm going to this calculator on the APK info and I have a notice that com.scc.android.app and the package name is a pop-up calculator. So here I'm just updating it as a pop-up calculator. Okay, calculator. And if you go to these particular activities, this is what the first activity is. Copy that activity name and update it here. Okay, this is the package name. I copied it and I updated my package name. And even the calculator is just the event. I'm just copying that event and paste here. If you guys get confused how to pick the activity, you can directly leave this entire one as an activity name itself. And even as part of the previous sessions, we have seen how exactly you can use a press key code, right? Driver dot press a key code of. In order to enter one from the key code, we are using a 8, right? So we are using a 8 there. Okay, in order to enter 1, we are using this particular 8. So for 2, you are going to use a 9. So here, the press a key code, I was just using it for twice. Now, let me try to run the program. It should enter 1 and 2 on that particular calculator, and then it should terminate that. Okay, it launched the calculator and it performed 1 and 2, and then it terminated the app. So this is the way how exactly we can automate any kind of a system applications that comes by default with your mobile. Get the package name and an activity name and put it in the program. That's it. Okay. Thank you.